Now, this illustration deals with the scope of Article 310 in 70E, and a new informational note 3 has been added. Now, notice it's just a revision, as the purpose of change indicates. It's been made to reference the IEEE standard 463. Now, that is basically the purpose of change requirements here. But notice in the note, avoiding electric hazards, temporary insulation may be needed to insulate and guard energized components and conductors and so forth in accordance with 70E 310.4D on page 47 that we see in the note. And then, of course, we have the qualified person here that we've already told you to reference on page 13 of 70E. And we're dealing with electrolytic cells. In accordance with Article 310, beginning on page 46 there. Now, notice we can reference 70E 130.7D as in dog on page 38 and read about insulation requirements and use of insulated materials and equipment to guard and kind of isolate energized conductors and parts. Table 130.7G on page 39 will list individual standards that deal with individual items such as blankets and guards and barriers and different things that you might want to look up certain requirements and benefits in that standard when you're using insulating materials to cover up energized conductors and parts and isolate such conductors and parts from the qualified person performing a certain job task. And that's what this purpose of change is all about.